Hello, and welcome to this presentation on mathematics progression here at Novi Middle School. My name is Megan Barnowskis, and I am an 8th grade math teacher here at the middle school. As a general overview of what we will talk about today, first is the course progression at Novi Middle School. Second, the overview of our Novi Middle School mathematics curriculum, how you can help your child with math, and then our middle school philosophy on testing out and taking summer school courses. So first of all, here is a chart depicting course progression through math classes here at the middle school. You'll notice that it is based on and organized by the class that your student is currently taking as a 6th grader at Novi Meadows. And it's important to note that this chart is organized to show the path that students follow if they are not taking summer school and not testing out. So here we have, if your child is currently in 6th grade in Math 6, they will then take Math 7 as they come to us in 7th grade. After that, they'll move to Math 8 in 8th grade. And then when they move to the high school as a freshman, they will take Algebra 1. If a student is currently in Math 7 as a 6th grader, they will start 7th grade in Honors Math 8. In 8th grade, they'll move to Honors Algebra 1, which is a high school credit class. And then as a freshman, they will take Honors Geometry. If your student is in Math 8 as a 6th grader, they will start out in that Honors Algebra 1 high school credit class. And then in 8th grade, they will take Honors Geometry, another high school credit class, and then move to Honors Algebra 2 as a 9th grader. The bottom note just tells you that Honors Algebra 1, Honors Geometry, and Honors Algebra 2 are high school courses offered here at Novi Middle School. Very briefly, looking at our middle school math curriculum, our Math 7, Math 8, and Honors Math 8 courses follow CMP curriculum, which will probably look very familiar to your students from Math 6. In each of those courses, Math 7, Math 8, and Honors Math 8, there are 8 units with a new book for each unit. Honors Algebra 1, Honors Geometry, as well as Honors Algebra 2 are more traditional high school classes with a traditional high school textbook. They count as high school credit, and their grade transfers to their high school transcript. Many times here at the middle school, we have parents ask us, how can I help my child with math? Our strongest recommendation is that you get the parent access code to Schoology at the start of the year. Our teachers do an excellent job of making sure that you have this access code and the information for signing up. Once you're in Schoology, you'll notice that our math teachers post extra copies of in-class work as well as homework. We also post answer keys and update our schedule with upcoming tests and quizzes. We encourage you to ask to see your child's homework. You can check it together with them using the answer keys on Schoology, and it can lead to a great discussion about what they're learning in math class. We also recommend that you check Schoology for grades often. Your child should be able to explain his or her grade, so what they are doing well in and what they are succeeding with, and maybe what they are challenged by or having difficulties with. We also encourage you to encourage your child to ask questions and talk to their teacher if they are having trouble. Middle school is a great time for them to start to build independence, and having those conversations with their teachers is a great place to start. The middle school does also have a math specialist who provides extra support to students who might need it. You'll remember on the slide with the course progression, those were the paths through courses for students who are choosing not to test out or take summer school. If you are considering either of these options, we encourage you to really consider it carefully before having your child take those options. Our research has indicated that the most successful students are those who have taken all of their math courses during the school year. We've also found, though, that students who take a math course in the summer are not as successful in the next sequential math course as students who have successfully tested out. So students who test out tend to do better than those who take summer school. And when we think about these first 2 points, it just makes sense because students who take a year-long course get 180 days, a full school year, to really delve into concepts. And if they take summer school, they are squeezing that curriculum into 6 to 8 weeks. So students are not getting the same depth of understanding. Therefore, as a math department, it is our strong recommendation that students take math courses during the school year. Students who take full year courses have higher grades and a more complete understanding of math content than those who either tested out or took summer school courses. And this applies not only to just middle school, but also to their high school classes as well, since math just builds and builds and builds on itself. If you are considering the test out option, it is run through Novi's Community Ed. The courses that offer a test out option are listed on the community education page. It's important to note that a test out may only be taken once, and a passing score is an 80% or higher. Students who pass the test out of a high school course, so Algebra 1 and above, will have a TO for test out and a RC, received credit, on their high school transcript. There is not a grade applied to the high school GPA for a successful test out. For more information, you can go to the test out information link on Novi's website. And links on that page include the policy and procedure, the agreement form, and the test out registration. If your child does want to try to test out, you must register them for the test out. They cannot arrive the day of the test and expect to take the test out. If you're considering this option, a good question for your family to consider with your student is, why does your child want to test out of a class? If they truly are a math lover, they enjoy studying math in their own time, they've worked on studying the curriculum for the tests that they're trying to test out of, maybe it is an okay choice for them. But if they notice that their friends are testing out and they want to do what their friends are doing, maybe it's time to reconsider that option. If you are considering summer school, the district does offer summer school for the following math classes: Algebra 1, Geometry, Honors Geometry, Algebra 2, and Honors Algebra 2. So those are the high school level classes. Upon successful completion of a course, students are placed in the next sequential math class regardless of the grade they receive. So if a student receives a C in Algebra 1, they're stuck with that C and move forward to Honors Geometry for the following school year. Students who take a high school course during summer school will have an SS and the achieved grade on their transcript. So unlike the test out, there is a grade associated with summer school. If you would like more information, you can find the summer school information page found under Community Ed on the Novi Community Schools website.